When drawing a cartoon, I generally, but not always, start at the top of the drawing so I can imagine everything in perspective below it. I'll now draw Donald Duck's beak, to ensure I line up his facial feature correctly, between his beak and upper head. Always take a second to pause, and evaluate your drawing before moving to the next step. Now with upper and lower focal points, you can fill in the rest of the face. Looking good so far. Let's complete his lower beak before moving on to the body. Now it's time to add the ribbon to his hat, then move on to the body. Because I will make him waving, I will start with his hand as a focal point. Once again keeping everything in proportion. We are now in the final stretch. Remember to look at your drawing before continuing with it. Have the image in your mind before placing it on paper. Be proud of your drawing. You're ready now to color it and show to family and friends.